Your problem is that you keep thinking you know the law better than I do. I've been doing this a long time. You don't.
No. I have a question.
I'm not.
Please, don't touch me.
You're going in.
Don't you touch me. Whoa. What the?
You still can't smoke in the car.
I wasn't smoking.
You clearly, somebody was smoking in the car. Step out of the car right now or you're gonna go in handcuffs. Step out of the car or you're gonna go in handcuffs.
Izo, City Police is back. Do you remember me? Today we bring you the most badass couples of the year. Are you curious? Click the Subrise button to start the video. Love, love. Have you ever imagined witnessing something inappropriate on a Ferris wheel, at a family-friendly amusement park, in broad daylight, with minors nearby? Today's case is not only disturbing, it's a lesson in what not to do in public. On August 16th, 2022, a couple was observed engaging in inappropriate behavior while riding an amusement park attraction at Cedar Point. The act was witnessed by 4 underage girls who immediately reported it to park security and local police. What started as a thrill ride quickly turned into a serious legal matter.
How much have you had to drink today? Because I can smell some alcohol coming from it. That doesn't answer my question. How much have you had to drink today?
Maybe like 4.
4? 4 or 5 beers? Okay. Okay, and are you staying at one of our resorts?
Yeah.
Okay, which one?
Sawmill.
Okay. Alright, you two hang right here. So, group of girls over in the bench where Donnie's at.
Yeah.
Claiming that these two were engaging in sex in a car.
They're banging?
Yeah.
Right on?
Yeah, right around the corner over there. All 4 of them are sitting over there.
How young are they?
2 of them are 18, one's 17, the other one's 16, I think.
Okay.
Saying that had his pants down and was
Did they,
going from behind. Yeah.
did they see it?
They witnessed it.
What did they say when you talked to them, these people?
They're saying nothing happened.
What the ride operator said?
They just said that they got it reported to them, and they got a call, and they called us.
Did they see anything?
They didn't. To my knowledge, no one saw it.
Were you guys banging on that ride?
No, honey, listen, so my cigarettes, I have shorts on beneath my dress, first off.
Right.
So there is no easy access that's happening here. And I have them in my pocket, in the shorts. They fell out. I bent over to retrieve them on the ride.
Why was he behind you then?
He was trying to help me because they were clear across the ride.
You want me to answer that?
No, probably not, I guess, because you're going to answer like, you know, here goes.
So, I'm gonna go talk to the young girls who saw it and see what they say. And then we'll go from there. Hi. So, what did you guys see? Like, okay.
Like 100, like she was on her hands and knees. Her pants were off. He was on his knees doing it back and forth. And we could feel our car actually shaking.
There were 2 of us looking one way and 2 of us the other way. Like,
yeah, and when we looked back, like he was there, her butt was here, butt naked.
You saw her butt?
Oh,
yes.
We saw like her ass.
Did you see his wiener?
I looked away. It was in it, but I looked.
You saw his wiener in her?
Yeah.
Oh my god, absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Also did it the second time. The second time we feel it because they got dressed to like went to go down, and then when we got back up, they like just started doing it again.
Yeah, and
then they were laughing when they saw. Like they started laughing, and they also when we were in line. Wait, tell me what they said when you were in line. When I was in line, like they kept like going this close to me and like bumping into me, and I was like, Jesus Christ, can you like go off of me? And they started laughing, and then they started calling me, they were like, this little whore is like, they called me whore, and they were like, this little whore is like being so rude to me. And I just said, can you please move off of me?
Right.
Like, they were being on top of me.
Like, we saw them.
And we have like 2 minors and 2 adults in this group.
Barely adults.
18, so barely, but not okay.
Yeah, absolutely not. They said that she was getting cigarettes.
Oh.
With the butt out and him inside of her. That doesn't really seem like cigarettes.
I don't think so. Oh yeah, for sure.
Maybe like how butt naked. Like.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that's how you get a
Yeah,
cigarette.
inside too. Like I didn't know you could do that with inside.
I didn't know.
But like we saw it.
Oh, that's news.
How old are you guys?
I'm 15 and a half.
Which one?
I'm 17.
And you two are 18? I'm trying to see what fits here. She's like,
They were laughing when
they
saw
said,
us.
They were so
And I just
have some really bad background, and it was like really traumatizing for that.
yeah, absolutely. Even if you don't, like,
Obviously shouldn't have been us, so no one should saw it, but it was especially for them kids. They would have been traumatized.
I'm 27 and I would have been traumatized. And
They might have been with the couple.
They had
in front of us
threads,
too.
and the shirts on it was like you dropped this and it was a
And
plane.
they saw us from there, and they were just laughing, but we saw them talking lines, and we don't know if they knew each other.
I saw him.
Yeah, I didn't know if they knew each other or not, but they were laughing at us. But like, there was no way they would. Like, we saw everything.
I mean, you literally are telling me you saw his going in and out of her.
They back and forth, no pants.
I'm very aware of what that looks like.
Yeah.
And I wish that wasn't true.
But I mean, there's no denying. There's no way.
Oh my god, I wish it was like what we just said.
I really wish it was them picking up a cigarette, but it was not.
Oh my god.
I like the taste.
108 David DOB out of Ohio.
I'll be right back with you guys. They're minors.
Yeah. 2 of them.
And it says,
They gotta write statements then.
no person shall recklessly do any of the following under affirmate others who are in the person's physical proximity. Private parts, sexual conduct, or masturbation. No person shall knowingly do any of the following, which the person's conduct is likely to be viewed by another person whose person's physical proximity who is a minor who is not the spouse of the offender. I say it fits, don't you? I mean, what do you want me to do? You want me to arrest them? Or do you want me to, or you just want to kick them out? Public indecency. Or indecency and exposure, public indecency.
That's how you have the same score.
So, how long did you guys ride this ride?
4 minutes maybe?
How many times did you guys go around?
How many times to go around?
Yeah.
Maybe 3.
Okay. So, why can those girls, which 2 of them are juveniles, describe to me your guys' private parts?
That's our report. Describe them?
I mean,
Yeah.
I have shorts on, like I told you before.
I understand. But, so listen, this is what I'm going to do for you, okay? You understand that there's cameras and I can watch those cameras and see. So just tell me the truth. Because I know you're lying. So just be honest. Because lying's not going to get you anywhere.
Really? I just had to leave.
Yeah,
That's some bullshit right here.
no, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. You're lying, 100%.
Lying?
I don't. So four juvenile girls are just gonna make that up.
That's not like they're fucking little juvenile girls. Like,
2 of them are
two
2 of them are 18 and 2 of them are juvenile. So when I watch those cameras, I'm not gonna see you guys. You're lying. She wants to tell the truth. Do you understand that you can be arrested for this? It's an N2. Yeah, a misdemeanor of the 2nd degree. And you guys can go to jail because you're not from here. And then you'll have to post bond. Or I can call the judge and no bond since you guys are lying. And I know you're lying. It's up to you guys. I'll let you guys talk about it. What? Okay. So, you're sticking to your story of the cigarettes?
Yes.
She may have shaken her butt in front of me a little bit, but what the hell is wrong with that? You know?
Okay, so now the story's changing.
Huh?
Now your story's changing.
That's not changing. That's not really what changing.
So,
I mean, she's like my fucking wife.
what?
She's like my wife. You can't like shake her ass.
Well, yeah, but you guys have kids?
No.
Okay. So I want you to picture when you have kids and your 15-year-old comes here and she sees two grown-ups having sex.
I mean, that's not right.
And they saw what they said to me and what they saw. I would be embarrassed.
Who the fuck? Who hasn't seen it that they're 8? You know what I'm saying? Don't look at me like that.
So you think it's appropriate that they
That's not appropriate.
that they saw?
But these motherfucking kids these days, you can't fucking, I don't fucking know what the hell they're gonna say to anybody.
So you think it's appropriate that they saw you
Saw me what?
put it to your wife on the Ferris wheel?
Are you serious?
Yes.
No, did I say that? Did I say that?
You said
Are you trying to take words out of my mouth?
No, you're not going to do that to me. You said they've seen all this stuff.
No, I'm not trying to do nothing with you.
You said, well, they know,
I'm not
they
trying to
see
do anything
this.
to you.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Like, there's something else there.
Well,
No, it did not happen. I don't
they're
know what
calling
the hell
their
they're trying to say.
what?
I don't know what they're trying to say, but nothing like that.
Okay. Well, like I told you, you're going to go to jail. So, what?
I'm going to jail for what?
Public indecency. You can't have sex on a ride.
Seriously.
I gave you the opportunity to tell the truth. You didn't want to.
Can I see like videos?
So no, I don't have to show you video footage. So all I have.
You said you had videos.
So I don't have to show it to you. No, I don't. No, I don't. Don't tell me how to do my job. Don't even. Yeah.
I'm not. Did I?
Don't listen.
So you're telling me I did something I didn't, and then you're gonna take me to jail?
I have 4 witnesses.
Okay.
You're both going to jail. So you had the opportunity to be honest. You didn't want to be. So.
You do what you want to do. Where? Jar says we're gonna come to jail. No matter what.
I mean, there's no way around it. I guess there's no way around it, then, is there?
Well, here's the deal. So I can call the judge since you guys don't live here, and like, I don't know. I think that since you guys don't even have any remorse for what you did to those children and how upset they are, like that's what bothers me. And now you're lying to me. You don't even care what you did to those children.
How are we supposed to know that for sure?
But either way, they're upset, and you guys are trying to deny that you did it. Like,
well, I do apologize that they were upset.
Yeah, why wouldn't they be?
John, Tom, Mary.
Why wouldn't they be upset? Like, and then you guys are sitting here lying. Like,
I understand the concern.
right. And like, why is the one saying you called her a whore?
Nobody called anybody a whore.
Well, you lied to me this whole time.
No.
She's saying you called her a whore.
Nobody called. We never spoke directly to this person at all.
She said that you guys were touching her on the line and said that you called her a whore.
I have 2 friends that were with us in line that they may have overheard the word whore being thrown around loosely, but it was not directed towards them.
Do you see where I'm coming from, though?
I do. I
Like,
understand.
it would probably be a different story if you guys would have been like, yeah, we messed up, you know, because really this is Cedar Point, and it's up to me if charges are done or not, and I work for the city. So had you been like, we didn't mean for people to see us, like we've been drinking, you know, but you sat here and blatantly lied to my face, and I have these juveniles that are traumatized.
Understood.
So,
Are you able to write us a ticket and like ban us from the park or? Okay, so we have friends that are here that came with us. So if we have to stay, am I able to get a hold of these said friends and so they can at least get back to Sawmill?
yeah, who drove?
Both of us.
Yeah. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ask them if they want to pursue charges. And if they say yes, you're gonna go to jail. If they say no, then you're gonna be banned from the park.
I'm gonna call your mom back.
So,
Are you looking to pursue her?
is this something you guys want to pursue? Like, do you want them to go to jail, or do you just want them to leave the park?
What would that mean if we wanted them to go to jail? What would we have to do about it?
Well, you guys will have to fill out a witness statement. This will probably go to court, so they might call you guys to testify on what you guys saw. Or we can just kick them out of the park and they go on their way.
Now, real quick, I just gotta butt in here. Obviously, we're gonna have to recontact your guys' parents just because obviously you guys are under 18, so we gotta make sure of it, okay? So,
We wouldn't testify, though.
What?
We wouldn't testify, or they would testify?
They might
All
call
of
you.
them. All you guys
They
do.
might call you to testify, since we didn't see it, and I'm taking your guys' word for it. They could potentially call you to testify on what you guys saw. So, I can pursue charges, but I don't want to do that and put you guys through more if it's just something that like.
Eleanor, what are you thinking?
I just don't know what, I don't know.
I just don't want this to happen to someone else, like anyone. Like they did once, there's nothing stopping them.
Absolutely.
But they ended up admitting to that.
Yeah, because
Okay.
Well, if they didn't admit it, I wasn't going to give them a choice. And I was probably going to contact the judge and have them no bonded because they're not very remorseful for their actions, in my opinion.
Like I made sure of it.
So,
Wait, who admitted?
They admitted it.
What?
They did admit to it?
They did admit to it.
They didn't feel bad.
That's what she's saying. They don't.
well, now they do. Now they do. Well, I'll be honest, the girl wanted to tell, the boy didn't. But,
He was the one.
and he's the one,
He was the one like also. She was like looking at us first, but he was the one that's looking back.
yeah. Okay. You guys are going to jail. So, stand up and I need you to put your hands behind your back.
What are we doing about the friends that?
You can call them. I'll let you call them right now.
All right. Hey, you gotta come get these keys. Yep.
Ultimately, both individuals were arrested and transported to the local detention facility. They were formally charged with public indecency, a second-degree misdemeanor. The amusement park also took immediate action to remove and potentially ban them from returning. What's your perspective on this? How should public behavior be handled in spaces meant for families and children? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, be sure to like and subscribe for more real-life law enforcement stories. What happens when a simple traffic stop turns into a standoff in someone's driveway? On January 27th, 2023, an officer in Florida attempted to pull over a man, not for speeding, not for reckless driving, but for riding a golf cart on a public road. What should have been a quick citation turned into a legal showdown, a family in distress, and one very heated arrest caught entirely on body cam.
Not on community. I've followed you since community.
Okay.
Do you have your license registration?
I don't have to give you anything on my
Yes, you do.
Get off my property.
Yes, you do. You committed a traffic infraction.
Okay, good. Send me a ticket.
I need your license,
I
registration,
don't
and
have
proof
to
of
provide-
insurance.
I've not committed a crime, and I'm not going
You committed a traffic offense. Yes, you did.
I did not, sir.
Yes, you did.
I did not, sir.
Okay, are you going to turn this into something criminal?
That's up to you. I'm at my house. If you saw me out there, Then you got to pull me over out
That's
there.
not how that
driving-
works.
I
A
am
traffic.
allowed to drive my-
That's not how that works.
Please remove your vehicle from my
No,
yard.
a traffic infraction happened on the roadway. I need your license.
You're not getting anything.
I need your
Do
license.
not enter my property, sir.
I'm not on. I
not
need your
enter my
license.
property.
Thank you so much.
I need his license.
Melly?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, I need his license, or he's at risk of interfering with a law enforcement investigation. Does he want to get arrested for?
What
Call the
investigation, sir?
supervisor. Call the supervisor.
Okay, I will.
I don't know what investigation.
And please move your vehicle out of
Call
my
Sergeant Garcia.
vehicle by call.
Hey, do you want to come 51 out to me? Now I'm inside the gated community, but he was driving on the public roadway. I just refused to give me his license.
Okay, you're refusing.
All right, you're heading out here.
my property. Okay,
All right, bye.
here we go. Officer, I'm going to ask you again. You're in my driveway. Please move. From
You
my
committed a
driveway,
traffic
sir.
infraction on the public roadway.
I'm respectfully asking you again, sir. If you please remove, I am not giving you my driver's license. Sir.
1164, and if there's another unit on
Please move from my. You are blocking my driveway. Am I being detained?
Yes, I need
Okay,
your
I'm being
I
detained.
need your identity to identify you.
I need a supervisor.
I'm sorry, but you are not allowed to do that.
Okay, you can think that.
I know how the police are working.
Okay,
Very well.
okay.
Can you come inside? Let him in. Yes, and our property, you can go back inside. Thank you.
No, he's gonna bring a supervisor. I'm not running from anybody. He'll bring a supervisor. Okay. I'm legally permitted to drive in this neighborhood. I'm insured.
Not on public roadways.
This is not public, sir.
You were on the public roadway.
Say, okay, do you have proof of that?
Yes, I do.
May I see it?
It's on the body camera.
Perfect. Okay.
I can give it
Well,
to you
then
after
send
you
me
give
a
me your driver's
license.
license.
I'm not giving you my driver's license.
Okay.
Why you don't stop to think that part?
That's what I want to know. If he says I was on the road.
There are other cars on the road.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You don't stop at the right moment. It's not counted.
That's not how that works. A traffic stop can be initiated anywhere a violation.
You don't do that in that moment. That is when you do that when he come back in here in the house. That is mean you don't do that in the right moment, where you have to do it.
Yeah, that's not how that works.
Well, you don't do it, so.
That is not how that works.
It's
Is
work
this
like
allowed?
that
Are
because
you allowed to block my
it's
yard?
work
Yes.
like that.
Okay, you are.
I'm trying to initiate a traffic stop on you
Didn't you on private property? You tried to do it.
because of a violation that occurred on a public
You
roadway.
are not allowed to enter private property to come after me. You can't do it. So that's
Okay.
why I asked for a
You have
supervisor.
to-
I'm not.
There's a supervisor coming.
Personal, man.
Okay.
Nothing personal.
Hey, there's a supervisor coming, and you could explain this all to him then.
You have the moment and the opportunity for do that. You don't do it. So that is mean you don't do it right your job.
That is not how that
It
works.
is like that. It is.
Okay.
It is.
Okay.
You know that.
You're on my property, stop.
I am.
I'm not giving you permission to enter my property.
I'm not.
You're on my property.
I'm not on your. I'm not in your house.
Blocking my property.
This is HOA property.
My driveway.
This community is HOA property.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
The whole driveway is mine.
HOA property.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's mine.
Okay, this is HOA property.
Okay, so you're saying that this is not my property, right?
This right here is HOA property. Where you committed a traffic offense is public roadway.
This part is in this property. This is our property.
Okay, if you guys want to turn this into something more.
Look at that.
I'm not turning it into anything.
Okay,
Nobody.
After me.
okay,
You have to do the right thing.
okay,
That moment. You don't do it.
okay,
Sorry.
okay.
You lose that.
I know. You saw everything from inside the house, right?
Sir, I am not afraid. I am not afraid for you. I'm here, and I'm telling you that if you don't do the things when you have to do that in the moment that you have to do, why you don't stop him in that part?
Oh, you studied criminal justice?
Huh?
You're a police officer?
Well, that is not your business. If I know, if I not, that is not your business.
Okay,
Okay, but that is that I'm telling you.
okay. I mean, you're trying to tell me how my job works now.
But you don't do that.
Okay.
You do that?
I don't know what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying.
No, I don't.
You know what I'm saying.
No, because
You are
a
not
traffic infraction,
Uh huh.
you can make a traffic stop.
All the time, but you don't do that in the right moment, in the right second. You don't do that in that minute.
Okay.
Why you have
can,
to wait?
I'm not here to change your mind.
No, it's because you don't wait. You wait for to come here.
I am
and
not
when
here
you
to
have
change
do
your
that,
mind.
You have to do
I'm
that
not
in
here to
that
change
part.
your mind.
No, I know.
And you weren't driving the golf cart, so I don't know why I'm talking to you.
Because you are the law enforcement and you have to respect for me because you are the law. Right or wrong?
And I'm trying to enforce the law, and you're impeding my investigation.
What investigation, sir?
The
You
traffic-
don't have any part. You don't have any paper. Your supervisor is not here.
Do I need
You
to
don't
pull
do
up?
the report.
Okay, if I pull up a printed sheet of what law
You
he
don't
broke,
do that.
No, if you show me proof of me breaking the law,
I absolutely will.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
No, but do
proof,
that.
and then I'll
You
and
don't
I'll
stop
be
the
quiet.
vehicle.
I'm not trying to
You
give you a
don't
hard
stop the
time.
vehicle. You don't stop and you don't ask for his driver license. You don't do the things that a police officer have to do.
I
And you
asked
know-
for his driver's license.
When?
You
When
were
he
in some.
When I'm on private property, you can't ask.
That's not how that
works.
works.
To give you that,
No,
You're-
I haven't-
it is.
Just because you come to your house doesn't mean it's safe zone.
I didn't say anything about safe zone. I'm in private property, sir.
Okay.
I am on private.
Okay,
property.
you can have this argument with the sergeant.
Okay.
With the judge and everybody.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so that's fine. So we'll take it to court.
How you doing, boss? Good.
I pull up here with my son, and all I'm trying to do is go inside the house, and he pulls up in my driveway. I asked him to leave. He said, "I want to see your driver's license." I said, "For what?" He said, "For driving the golf cart." He said it was on a public road. I said, "Well, number one, we're on private property. This is private property. I'm more than okay to drive my golf cart on here. It's insured." And he wants my driver's license. I said, "Okay, well, then show me what I did wrong." He said, "I was following you from somewhere, but there was cars." I said, "Well, I'm not giving you my license for that. I mean, I'm not hiding. This is my house. You find out who I am, but I'm not giving him my license for some. If he's saying I was doing something, then he's got to pull me over, and he's got to do whatever he's going to do at the time that he thinks that I'm apparently breaking the law."
So yeah, inside the HOA communities, you're allowed to, but anywhere it's like city-owned roads, like Village Parkway, Community Boulevard, Gatlin Cross, anything else that's not inside of like a community area.
I understand
And
that.
then,
I mean, I understand that.
yeah.
I mean, to pull me over right here in my house, and he wants to put the lights on and make a big commotion, blocking my driveway.
Yeah, he has the supervisor on the way. Also,
Okay.
so
I thought you were the supervisor.
no. I have a trainee. We were close by.
Now he's blocking my neighbor's driveway.
Oh, yes, you do have to. In here. You can put it in here.
Normally, we're stopping the golf carts because it's a lot of people are calling them City Hall. One, it can't be on the roadways. Or
I am
the
agree with
sidewalks.
you, but do it in the moment that you have to do it. You don't have to wait. You don't have to do this. We respect the law enforcement.
Absolutely.
But it's the
absolutely.
thing when you have to
Absolutely.
do that. If you told me if I am breaking the law outside, you have to pull me over and right away in that moment.
That's like telling me, okay, I mean, somebody pull up to your house, say, "Oh, you broke the speed limit on the highway." Well, we're at my house. What are you talking about? You know, I mean, come on.
Hi. So I'm his supervisor. So I'm gonna make one request.
Okay.
Okay. Pulling into your driveway doesn't negate the stop. I'm gonna give you the option right now because what's gonna happen if you don't provide the identification, we're gonna have to arrest you. We don't want to arrest you.
Under arrest?
Yes.
Okay,
So
for
would you
what law?
prefer to present the identification or not?
Sorry, I have a question. No. I have a question.
I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting.
You're not fighting.
Stop. Move away.
Don't say anything without your lawyer, and they don't have any
So you're
solution for to do
so
that.
if I give you my
are
driver's
going to
license,
say it like that.
so if I give you my license, you will permit me. You will have a conversation with me. I'm asking you about the law.
You're under arrest.
The kids is not doing.
Resist. Okay.
I am not resist, but the kids there in there.
Don't
The
resist.
kids there in there.
Ma'am,
Please.
don't resist.
I didn't tell you no. I said I was going to ask you a question.
You did tell
I'm
this
trying
officer no, though, right?
I said I want to understand what the law is. That's all I asked.
Okay.
Please. Tell him that he's 14 years old, he is 6 years old.
Okay.
Don't leave it alone.
Okay.
One
That's
second.
it.
Let us do 1 second at a time.
But you don't have
Melly,
to do it in
Melly,
person.
Melly.
They
My
arrested
kids
him.
are inside. Let her, please.
No,
She'll
they
be
say
quiet. She'll be quiet. Please, let my kids are inside. I have a 6-year-old daughter in there, sir. You can't. Please let
We're
her
gonna have
go.
to find somebody else. to
Okay,
help out.
let her go. She didn't do anything.
Absolutely not. Put her in the car, please. In the car.
Okay, can I tell my son? Wait a minute. I have minors in
Can I
here.
have
Can
my-
I tell my son?
Let's go
I'm
to
not
the car.
fighting. I'm not fighting.
Let's go to the car, sir. Please.
Believe me. You cannot leave my kids alone.
We're right here.
I don't know that.
Sir,
Why are you doing this?
I'm doing this. Please
I
walk to
just
the car.
asked you. I just said to
Sir,
you if
please
I said
walk
I
to the
wanted to
car.
make sure that I'm legally
Sir,
required
walk
to
to
give
the
you my
car.
ID.
Yes, you are legally
Okay,
required.
but
It's a
if you would
traffic
have
stop.
told me that,
I tried to explain that to you.
Guy, sir. I told no. I was asking
Sir,
for a
please get
supervisor.
into the car.
Please, man.
You would have literally gotten a warning.
And I was trying to do that and give you. You see
I
my
don't
license is right
understand.
here.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Why didn't you just
I got
show
a
it to me?
6-year-old in there.
Sir,
Come on.
I'm not wanting to do any of this.
Give my kid a ride to school, please. Come on, man. Don't do that.
Sir, there's nothing that I'm doing. Please turn around.
Do you have anything on? Come on. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me?
I asked for a supervisor. That's all I asked, sir.
Sir.
Please. Man to man, if you have kids, please don't do this. My
Sir.
kids are inside.
Listen, all you had to do was present your ID.
It's right there.
As
right
simple,
there in the
as
front
simple
pocket.
as
I
it
told
was.
you that, sir.
I don't understand what the point of refusing it was.
It wasn't. No. But what I'm trying to tell you is, I wasn't trying to refuse it from you, sir. I was asking you if I'm legally required. That's all I was asking.
He asked you, right?
No. Well, he asked me, but he also was blocking my property. And I didn't understand what that was. That's why I requested respectfully. I told him respectfully, may I please speak to a supervisor? That's all I said.
Ay, Dios.
There's no going back. Okay.
All right. Where are my kids?
Is there? So here's my next question: Is
Okay.
there a relative, a
Yes.
neighbor
Can
that
you,
you would?
can you call her?
Absolutely.
Okay. Can you just let her go, man?
We can't,
She's just
sir.
being a
If
pain.
she's in
She's
handcuffs-
just being a pain. That's all.
Sir,
Okay, can
but
you
she
do me
can't-
that favor?
she
I'll go.
Can't put her hands on officers when they're trying
She
to. place
wasn't trying to put her hands to hurt anybody. Come on, sir.
No, I'm not. I never said she was.
All right, just
but
let
she
her.
can't.
And I
Okay?
respect that,
So
sir.
let's-
And
let's
I
work on-
apologize to you, man. Can you please let her stay with my kid?
No, sir.
Please, sir.
Who am I calling for your?
703.
And who is that?
That's their mother.
Okay.
She's right down the street.
what's
Can you
the-
call her? And why is this guy walking?
I couldn't tell you.
Well, yeah, I got pulled over for driving a golf cart.
What's the name of the mother?
I'm getting arrested, and I
put him out.
he's throwing me in the. Yeah, my kids are in the for driving the golf cart. Okay, get your extra and push me in like you want to. Go ahead.
Why would I do that?
Come on, man. I got kids. Why you got
Why
to
would
do
I
that?
push
I
you
asked
in?
for us. You know why? Just like you
I
were
was
trying
nothing
to
but
rough me up
respectful
in
to
there.
you.
You weren't. I was respectful to you too. Didn't I tell you nicely? Can you make sure? Please don't leave until my kids are here.
We are not
Wait,
going to go
you
anywhere.
cannot leave until my.
We are not going anywhere yet.
Where is my phone? You took my phone out of my pocket.
Yes, I have that.
Where is it?
It'll be going with you to St. Lucie County
Where is
Jail.
it? I need to see it.
It will be going with you to St. Lucie County Jail.
Okay. Hope you feel good, man. Doing that to somebody with kids.
Did the officer have the legal right to pursue the stop onto private property? Was the man truly obstructing or simply asserting his rights? And most of all, how should officers balance the law with empathy when children are involved? What's your take on this situation? Was this a clear case of refusing lawful orders or a misunderstanding that escalated unnecessarily? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more real-life police encounters and case breakdowns, hit that like button and subscribe for more. What starts as a billing dispute at a hotel turns into handcuffs, shouting, and 2 people arrested for refusing to leave. On November 4th, 2024, police were dispatched to a Days Inn after hotel staff reported a couple who had become aggressive over charges on their bank account. But when officers arrived, the situation didn't calm down. It got worse.
Yeah. This guy? Because they're saying we charged him for 3 nights.
Okay.
We only charged him for 2 nights. There is no way in our system to charge without it being attached to a folio.
Okay.
Screaming and yelling, want the owner, don't want to leave.
Okay. Are they current guests?
No, they checked out.
Okay. All right.
And they're saying they were going to call the cops because we stole from them. We didn't know. I can show you early.
Okay. All right.
I don't know if you want to.
Yeah. So they stayed the last 2 nights?
No, they were here Friday night, Saturday night. Checked out Sunday morning.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me show you.
Okay.
So see, in our computer system, when you run a card, it goes directly into our system. 1, 2.
Okay.
Here's the first one. Here's the second one.
Okay.
This one was declined. And this is their printout. Shows the declined and the 2 sales. These 2 are mimicking because this is a
Right, got it. Okay.
authorization.
Yep.
And then we capture their card when they come in and
Sure.
hand our cards.
Okay.
But I'm not going to have them take and scream at us.
Okay. I'll be right back. Hello.
Well, we can step out.
Okay.
So we have our privacy.
Okay.
Like she had hers. I know you were coming to talk about that, sir. Okay.
That's all right. Yeah.
Not valid problem.
Okay. So tell me what's going on.
Okay, so I'm going to show you, since she showed you her paperwork.
Okay.
All right. I was charged here 104.28, right? One night. I was charged here twice. We stayed 2 nights. They charged me 3 times.
Okay.
And I just want my money back.
Okay. Have you disputed it with your
I don't
bank?
need to dispute it with the bank because they took the money. My bank didn't take the money. They took it from me.
But
and now I don't.
They didn't take it. We've got the proof that they did. And then the lady started getting an attitude with me, and I told her, no, I want to speak to your boss.
Okay.
She told me her boss is in California. Well, I don't give a about that. She's still your boss, and she needs to do her job. Because if you're not going to get a hold of somebody, then I'll call somebody else.
Okay.
Well, I'm calling the cops. Well, you call them. I'm not going to run because I ain't done nothing wrong.
Right. Got it.
And we can review the cameras where her boss, standing right there behind the, had to tell her to stop and be quiet because she was causing the issue.
All right. So at this point, they've got one that shows was declined. Right.
Right.
Yes. I understand.
Wasn't
I
declined.
understand.
It was taken out
but
this morning.
it's going to be between.
There were 4 charges.
Okay.
One got declined.
Right.
Because the guy put in the wrong number.
Okay.
Over the phone.
Right.
The lady here called me, and then we put it on his card instead of my card. The first charge was under my card.
Okay.
Right? The one that got declined.
Okay.
And then the rest of the charges went to his card under.
Okay.
So all 3 charges that were taken out are under his card. The one that was declined, yeah, I can prove our
Well,
card.
she showed me 3, but one said a pre-authorization. You know how they kind of hold until hand.
Right, and we waited.
Right.
We waited 2 days.
Okay.
And we were like, okay. But this morning they actually took the
They
money.
posted it. It was posted. It's
And now my bank account's in the negative, so I have a huge problem. And it ain't a call a corporate type problem, it's a fix-it problem.
Okay.
What's going on with them?
They're just really aggressive. They're saying that we triple charged them when they stayed 2 nights. They're saying we charged them for 3 nights. There is no possible way for us to do that with our system.
Okay. But you
Yeah.
have asked them to leave already?
Yeah, and
You have.
I said, listen, we can't. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want them trespassed?
Well, let me make sure that they understand that we didn't overcharge them.
Mhm.
Yes, we do.
What we were trying to explain to them, and they just got hostile.
Okay.
And now the money that I had.
And then they give us this problem, guys? Then they give us this problem because I demanded to speak to her boss?
No.
Okay. All right.
No.
There's
because
4
it's
cops
not-
here
it's
for
not
what?
a bank situation.
Do you have your license or anything?
No,
on you,
you're
sir?
not getting my ID.
Okay, they've already asked you to
broken
leave.
the law.
They've already asked you to
And
leave,
I
so
will
you
leave,
are
but you're not
trespassing.
getting my ID.
Sir, they've already asked you to leave.
Then I will leave.
No, you're
asking
still
me
here.
to leave?
No, they have to
Are
ask
you
you to leave. You've been
asking me to leave?
trespassed already. I need your driver's license.
No, you're not getting my
I'm going to ask you.
I have not broken the law for nothing. You are not getting my license.
Stop resisting.
What are you talking about resisting, man? Are you kidding me? Resisting what? Resisting what? Give me your phone out. I told you I would leave if you were asking me to leave, sir. That's exactly what I just said. I just said I would leave. You have no right to do this.
If she asked you to leave,
And you have no right to do this.
if she asked you to leave,
By the
and
way,
you
guys,
chose
I've
not
already
to
been through
leave,
this with your department. You have no right to touch me, check my ID or anything. I asked you if you were asking me to leave. You would not answer me, sir.
You've already been asked to leave.
Well, then I told no. By who?
By them.
I don't care about them. I asked
do.
you.
It doesn't matter.
I asked you
It's
directly if
trespass.
I was being asked to leave. You would not answer
It's
me.
trespass
Then you
after
grabbed me
warning,
and
sir.
put me in handcuffs.
It's
No,
trespass
sir. It's
after
not
warning.
trespass after warning.
Yes, sir,
I
it
was
is.
never asked to leave.
Yes.
We were standing here having a conversation, ma'am. You're going to deny that?
Pull the cameras
I'm
up.
standing
Do you have your
here
driver's
talking to you
license,
guys.
ma'am?
You're going to deny that?
Can I have it?
No.
You're going to go in handcuffs as well, ma'am.
Well, then I'll walk out to the road.
You've already been asked to leave.
Okay, well, I'm leaving. Don't touch me.
You're going in
Don't
handcuffs.
you touch
Come here.
me. Whoa. Whoa. What the? Whoa.
You
Whoa.
Stop being dramatic, ma'am.
No. He's
Put your
going
hands
on right
behind
now.
your back.
Are you Are you serious?
I don't have nothing else to say to you. I don't care what you got to say. I have nothing else to say to you. What they're doing right now is illegal, man.
Okay. All right.
I asked him if you asked us to leave, and he would not answer me. And then he put me in handcuffs for no reason.
Well, you're being detained right now.
No, there ain't no detained. I'm
Yes,
in
sir.
handcuffs. That means I'm going to jail.
Yes.
Let's go.
You're being detained.
I'm in handcuffs. That means I'm going to jail. I was not being violent. I was not doing anything. There's cameras all here. No, I'm not being detained. You taking me to jail today, buddy.
I'm not taking you to jail.
Oh, no, I'm going to jail.
Do you want to go to jail?
I'm in handcuffs. I want to go to jail. Yes,
Lawful
sir.
detainment.
They don't, baby. Don't talk to her. She's nobody. Oh, you put me in handcuffs because I was standing here talking to you? do you think you are?
I'm Deputy Vilhard with the Santa Rosa County
All right,
Sheriff's
yeah, and I'll
Office.
be talking to IA and your boss.
Well, you don't talk to IA.
You might, well, yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. That's where the formal complaint goes. You know, not when you call and I want to talk to your sergeant type. Yeah, no, I know. We were standing here having a nice, peaceful conversation, man.
Yes.
There was no reason
Deputy
for
Robbins
anybody to
asked
put
you-
hands on anybody.
Deputy Robbins asked
He
you.
asked for my ID and got pissed off because I wouldn't.
No, you refused to twice.
Exactly, and I don't have to give you my ID,
Yes,
bro.
you do.
I have not broken the law. What law did I break?
Because they want you trespassed.
That is not a law. That is not
Yes,
a
it is.
criminal offense. No, it is not. It is a civil No.
All right, you know the law better than I do.
I
That's
asked him
right.
repeatedly if I was being asked to leave, I would leave. He refused. He didn't ask him for my ID. I wouldn't give it to him, so y'all put me in cuffs. Now we'll talk to IA. And no, when you put somebody in handcuffs, man, that means they're going to jail. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and make some up. 'Cause I ain't done nothing wrong, man. I ain't done a thing wrong, dude. You know it. I know you know it. That's why you've been quiet, man, because you know it. Wasn't nobody yelling, wasn't nobody cussing, ain't nobody been unruly, anything.
You're going to jail as well. Go ahead and stand up for me.
Hold on, I have a bad ankle.
Okay. Got it. All right.
Josh, do you know, babe, do you know Mom's phone number?
Yeah, I got you.
That right there, her little incident right there, I don't know if you saw it, but she threw herself to the ground.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all.
Nobody's done anything here, man. We just.
Dude, he just asked you for your ID. It was that
He doesn't
simple.
have a right to
Yes, he
ask me
does.
for my ID.
Yes,
I did
he
not
does.
break Dude, I did not break the law, bro. It takes a criminal offense for you to ID me. That is the law. That is not only the law, that is your policy. I said, no, sir, if I'm being asked to leave, I will leave. And then I was thrown in handcuffs.
They stole money from me out of my kids' mouth.
All we
Like,
needed
that was my grocery money.
I understand that, but that is a civil issue. But you make it a criminal issue when they've told you to leave and you're
She
still here.
told me to stay. She said, no, hold on. Let me go pull up this paperwork. Yes, she did. Pull up the cameras. She said, go back there and
going
pull
based
up the
off her
paperwork.
word. She's
Okay,
already
well,
told you to
there
leave.
is cameras.
Okay.
So she lied to you and I'm going to jail because she lied to you?
You're going to jail because she told you guys to leave, and if that's your husband or boyfriend, he's already admitted to it as well.
So right now, like I said, you're being detained.
Well, when you put somebody in handcuffs, that means they're broken the
They
law.
come off just as easy as they go on.
Yeah, I know they do. But they're not supposed to go on unless I've broken the law.
No.
I'm not a criminal. I haven't done anything, man. I haven't broken the law. I was standing here giving you our side of the story, and then I was thrown in cuffs because I refused to ID. You can't ID somebody unless they break the law. That is the law. And then they decided to grab her too? For what?
I didn't grab her.
I know you didn't, man. But you're standing here holding me, and I got handcuffs on for no reason, bro.
Can we, like, put my wrist a different way in these cuffs? It's like on my bone right here.
You've got 2 finger links in there.
Well, I can't turn it.
Or you're not supposed to be able to turn it.
I know that.
And I'm going to double lock them here in just a sec
Do you
after.
have anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, cut me?
Nobody's broken the law here, man. This is the problem people have with police right here. Violating my rights. You think I don't know my rights?
You're an expert.
No, I am. I'm an expert on the First, Second, Third, Fourth, and Fifth Amendment rights, and my rights are that you cannot ID me unless I broke the law.
Good. All right. Go and have a seat back here.
I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, we're going to this. Yes, ma'am. We're going to this here.
And nobody should be going to jail. Nobody's broken the law. Nobody was causing a problem for you guys, man. Was I? Nobody here was causing a problem for you guys. But because I refused to give my ID, I'm
Hold
going
on.
in handcuffs now?
Let's
Okay,
talk
fine.
about
We'll talk
trespass
about
after warning. Okay, it
No,
doesn't
ma'am,
have to be.
I
It
asked
doesn't.
the officer, I
It doesn't
asked
have
you
to be
guys.
us. It doesn't have to be us. The representative of the property has asked you to leave, and you refuse to leave. That is trespass.
We were standing here talking to you, though. Do you understand that?
I do
So you're
understand that.
expecting
But
me to just
how
walk
many
away from
times
you
were you
without
told
saying
to leave
anything?
prior to me getting here?
Ma'am.
I'm asking you.
No.
Okay. All right.
I told the officer if I was being trespassed, I would leave.
You don't want to talk. We're not talking.
Instead, you guys threw handcuffs on us because we refused to ID. Without a law being broken, you rightfully do
I just
not have a
explained to
right
you the trespass law. Trespass after warning. I just explained that to you.
Okay, that's
they,
fine.
They asked you multiple times.
You can say whatever.
So
You
that
asked
is
the
the
ID.
law.
I asked you multiple times.
The law.
If you're asking me to leave,
It's
I'll
not,
leave.
It doesn't have to be us. That's what you're missing. Representative of the property asked you to leave multiple times. That's why we were called.
That's why they called
so
us.
I'm going to jail because after you and me had stood out here and had a peaceful conversation, I get to go to jail, right? I gave you guys the courtesy of standing here and talking to you guys about things and trying to figure it out. And when you tried to ID me, I said, no, sir, I've not broken a crime, or I've not committed a crime. If you want us to leave, we will leave. Then you threw me in handcuffs.
But that doesn't have to come from us.
Correct.
It's coming from...
Okay, I understand all that.
Okay,
I said multiple times, if you guys are asking us to leave,
But they asked you...
I said that multiple times, and you did not. You did not.
And he asked you for your identification multiple times after
break the
being
law,
asked
sir.
by the owner of the property to leave.
If you are here still on the property when I get here, and they've already asked you to leave, that is trespass after
Yes, sir.
warning.
I totally understand that, but we were standing here having a conversation, guys. I was standing here respectfully. Instead of just leaving and not waiting on you guys, I stayed here to talk to you, just so you guys knew we weren't here causing a problem. We were just like, no, call your boss or somebody because this is wrong.
While we're here,
Failure to ID?
Yes.
What law is that?
You're on the property that they asked you to leave. I'm not... Yes, it's 810.011 if you want to look at it.
I broke the law, and I did not.
That's trespass.
If I'm being asked to
That's
leave, I
trespass on structure or
told
conveyance.
you guys I would leave, man. She did too. And you threw us in handcuffs anyway because we wouldn't ID.
Yeah, exactly. We don't have
trespassing
time.
is not. Look, that's civil, bro, and you know it as well as I do. And we told you we would leave, man.
Got it.
It's ridiculous, guys.
Dude, we were as cool with you.
We were asking you if you want us to leave, we'll just leave, man. It wasn't about the ID thing. I would have gave you my name. You had my name. I was showing you everything they got.
Lift your left leg up.
All I'm saying is this is ridiculous, guys. Are y'all kidding me, man?
Dude, it was ridiculous. That's why we're trying to help you
I was
out.
standing there speaking to you,
Right.
though. I wasn't.
Yes, but then as soon as as soon as Deputy Robbins asked you, you started getting super animated and looking like you were going to take off.
If I was going to take
Man.
off, I would have left before you guys got here, man. I stayed here waiting on you because somebody
Do you
called
really
the
think
cops.
do you really think this is what we wanted to do?
No, I don't think this is what you wanted
We
to
really
do.
didn't want to kick
And
you
this
while
is
you're
not
down.
what I wanted to do either, man. You
We were
guys
trying
told us to leave, I would have
Right, and that's what I'm saying, sir. We're trying to figure out to get your money back to see what was going on. And all he was going to do was issue a simple trespass warrant, which is a piece of paper.
understand
That was it, man. But you made it a lot more by refusing to provide identification when he asked you.
When I get asked for ID by law enforcement, it makes me feel like I've broken the law, and I really didn't,
give you a
man.
trespass warning if we don't know who you are?
Right.
It's just going to say unknown white male with
I
beard.
understand that part.
So
I
we need
understand
to
that
ID
part.
you so we can
I
issue that
understand
warning
that
and
part
get you on the way.
completely, but that
That's
was
all
my
we were
whole
trying
thing,
to
man.
do.
My whole thing was if I'm being trespassed, I'll leave. You don't need my ID. You don't need nothing if I'm leaving, right? I'm
So
gone,
we have
no
to
more
issue
problem.
you a trespass warning because after they warned you, you didn't leave.
They didn't warn. They didn't ask, sir.
Well, on her sworn statement, she says that she asked you to leave. So
Sir,
you
and I'm
so
telling
you have the
just way
right to
that
fight
She told
that.
you. I'm telling you too.
And I understand
My
that.
word should hold just as much credit as hers does right now.
But when she says you're extremely animated and yelling, and we get here and I walk up and you're yelling at the other deputies.
Sorry, man. Can I sit down, bro? This foot.
Let me. Hey, can he sit down somewhere? In this one, this side. All right.
Sorry, I just got to get off this foot.
You're good, man. You can slide in there. Hey, man, are all the cards in your wallet in both of y'all's names? They're not in anybody else's names? As long as they're not in somebody else's name, we're fine. That's all I'm worried about. No, because at jail they want. I'm telling you, at jail if they don't have your name on it, they won't.
to jail, man?
We've been through this.
I'll trade you.
What kind of bond?
It should be pretty low, man.
Well, we don't have any money because they just don't do. We're negative in the bank because of the money. That's why we came up here, bro. We don't have any money.
Is there somebody we can call for the kids?
Nah, man. There's nobody but us, bro.
There's nobody for the kids?
We're going to jail like criminals, and we're not, bro. We didn't do it. We didn't do anything wrong.
So you told them between 2 to 3 times to leave?
I asked them to leave, and first I asked them to settle down. And I said, I'm going to get the paperwork, from our night audit, which is just the transactions for the day. I tried to explain to them, and they did not want me to explain to them. They said all she said was, see her. She showed me her bank account. I didn't even look at it, but she turned the phone around and she said, I have 3 entries here. And I said, well, 1 is pending. And I said, 1 will fall off. I said, in most institutions, they'll fall off between 7 to 10 business days. We have no control over that. But they were adamant that we stole money from them and that we were going to give it to them. They were not leaving, and they wanted to speak to the manager. But I did ask them to leave.
Okay. Do you mind including that in your statement that you did tell them to leave? Okay. Again, sorry. I just wanted to do the trespass warning so we could get out of here quicker. But
You're good, man.
Can I have EMS en route to the Days Inn? The male subject stated he's not feeling well.
Spent the last 11 years of my life trying to stay out of these handcuffs and doing the best I could to be a law-abiding citizen, a productive citizen, a part of this community that cares about this community. And now I'm being treated like a criminal, man, and I didn't do anything, bro.
All right, EMS is here to check you out. Give me 1 moment. He said he's not feeling well, and he said he's starting to turn pale. I haven't noticed any. He's on this side. I haven't noticed any color. After you're done with him, can you just check her out too? Because I had to take her down to the ground, and I just want to make sure that she's okay as well. She's fine. Okay.
Yeah, she's
all right.
fine.
Sounds good.
Alrighty.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Take care. You're welcome.
You know you're breaking the law right now, officer?
Why, by doing 5 over the speed limit?
With no seatbelts, man.
That's not the law. You think you know everything is the issue, sir. That's your problem. Your problem is that you keep thinking you know the law better than I do. I've been doing this a long time. You don't.
Stop and ID.
You don't. No, it's not, sir. It's not a stop and ID state.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, are you still over there?
Yeah, well, I'm over here, yeah.
On a Days Inn?
No.
Oh, can you stop back by over there and make sure that the vehicle's locked up?
My windows are down.
Yeah, I can.
My car.
Where are the keys at?
Don't touch my car.
Okay, you heard her. Okay, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Never mind. She doesn't want her car secured.
Okay, alright, sounds good.
Thank you. Bye.
Just mad because you got told no and you're not used to hearing that.
You're the one going to jail, bro, not me. You're the one going to jail, not me.
Okay, and we'll have our day in court.
You will, absolutely.
See your attitude? You see how you got that guilty?
I don't have a guilty. There's no guilty attitude, sir.
That's why we're scared of the cops.
There's no guilty attitude.
Your attitude.
177.
But I appreciate you not listening to our side of the story at all. So is it you that sets the bond now, or is it the jail?
The jail.
His pain is real, his frustration, understandable, but emotions don't override the law, and refusal to follow lawful commands, even when you feel wronged, can make things worse. Was this a case of overreaction by law enforcement, or guests refusing to follow basic rules? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more real-life cases like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for the next one. It all started with a broken license plate light and ended with handcuffs, cannabis, and an arrest for giving a fake name. March 14th, 2024, 1 a.m. A routine traffic stop in Illinois quickly unraveled into a tense standoff between a driver and police. The cause? Something so small, yet it led to a very big night.
Hi there. Hey, Officer Dan or UPD. Not the end of the world, just letting you know your plate light's out. So as long as everything checks out, I'll just get you out of here with a written warning. Yeah, your license or your. No, your headlights were on. I'm talking about your license plate light back here.
It's on. It's showing.
Your license plate light, no, it's not on back here.
Can I see it right quick? See if it's on.
Yeah, well, you can deal with that after the stop, though. Okay. Right now, I just need your license, your proof of insurance. Okay.
I don't have my license because you don't give me a good reason.
What'd you say?
What's the reason you stopped me again?
Is your plate lights out? It's not the end of the world, man. As long as your stuff checks out, I'll get you out of here with a written warning. I'm sorry?
You don't have anything wrong in the car. You want to check? You can see.
I just need to see your license, your proof of insurance.
That's not a good reason. Don't give me a good reason why you put me over. I wasn't speeding. My light is out. So I don't have
okay, your plate light's not on, so that's a lawful reason to pull you over. So if you don't identify yourself or provide some type of identification, even if it's providing me your name, you'll be charged with obstruction.
Yeah, but can you call the supervisor? Can I speak to him? Because that's not a good reason. Can I see why you put me over?
I am the senior person right now for my department right now.
Can you call some backup?
What'd you say?
Can you call backup?
Why do I need backup?
Because I'm home. You don't pull
It
me
doesn't
over.
matter if you're home or
It
not.
does matter.
Plus, I don't know if you are home or not because I don't know who you are.
And my license showing, my place showing, because before I leave, I check it. I check it every day. I come from work, so I came home, shower, then go pick up my girl. You know what I'm saying? So on my way, so nobody stopped me. So why do you stop me when I'm coming home?
Because that's when I first showed it, or that's when I first saw it.
Before I left and I checked it, I already checked my car. See my light? Everything working perfect.
Okay, just because that's on doesn't mean your plate light's working though.
It's working because I just left the gas station. I just left the gas station.
When, what? As soon as we're done, I'll let you guys look at it. I'll even show you after we're done here.
What's wrong?
It's your license plate light's not on.
Why?
Your license plate light is out.
My license?
Your license plate light.
If you wanna go,
can you check for me, please?
Yeah, the light bulb is not on right now.
My license plate?
Your license plate bulb is not on.
Can I check? I can check.
You can check it right after. Right now, I need I need your name and your date of birth, or I need some type of identification.
Can I write it down for you?
You don't have a license on you?
No.
Have you ever been issued an Illinois driver's license? Do you have an ID card?
I can give you my name. You can run it. You're going to see me in the system. Anyway.
Okay, what's your last name? Okay, and you said you have a driver's license?
I do.
From Illinois?
No.
Where's it from?
Maryland.
Where?
I was in Maryland and Florida, so I got 2 driver's licenses.
Florida and where?
Maryland.
And Maryland. Okay. Sit tight for me. Like I said, as long as everything checks out, man, we'll get you out here. Just a written warning, okay?
That's not a good reason to pull me over.
It's a lawful reason to pull you over.
Can you call some backup? Because only you're here lying to me. Because I don't know if
I'm not lying to you. I'm not lying to you. Because it's the Illinois state statute. You're more than welcome to.
People over, you call for backup, right?
I don't have to. Do I need a reason?
I need to feel some type of safety for myself.
Okay, well, I got my body cam going right now, my dash cam going. You're more than welcome to record if you'd like.
How do I know it over?
Code 5, I'll take another, though. What's up?
How do I know it over the camera?
How do I know it's rolling? Because it's blinking red right there. And I got my dash cam on. Like I said, if you both would like to record, you are more than welcome. You're more than within your rights to record.
I'm home, so I don't have to record.
Okay. Well, just stay right here for me. I'm just going to go run your information, and then I'll be right back out, and then we'll get you your written warning, and I'll let you go inside, okay? And then I can even show you afterwards your plate light and everything, okay?
As soon as you go in the car, I'm going to go check, because I'm home. I live there.
You still need to stay in the car. It's a traffic stop. Yes, you do. No, that's a lawful order. Yes, ma'am.
It's not lawful, because listen, you don't give me a reason to pull me over.
It's a lawful reason you have to stay in the car.
There was not a good reason.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
It can up to my house.
I come to, you can see
What'd you say, ma'am? I'm sorry.
I came to pick her up. That's what she said.
You came to pick her up?
It's not how we are.
That's fine. Okay, but during a traffic stop, you're required to
I don't know your pull up that.
Okay, but during a traffic stop, you're required to stay in the vehicle until we're done.
To pull somebody over,
It's a lawful reason to pull you over.
You need a good reason to pull somebody over.
That is a good reason. That is a good reason to pull you over.
I live here, so I pay tax. I do everything. So if you're not
That's
going to
fine.
work. So if I'm driving, there's no reason to come bother me.
So the license plate light, you're required to have a license plate light over your license plate, and it's just a simple thing. The license plate light's out. It's usually something I never write a ticket for. It's just more or less to let you know that your license plate light's out. But by law, you have to have a light over your license plate.
So what's next?
So what's next is I'm going to run his information. As long as everything checks out, I'm going to write him a written warning, which is not a citation, and then I'll let you guys get out of here, okay?
So I'll fly tomorrow. So
You have what? I'm sorry?
I'll fly tomorrow.
Okay. But like I said, I need you to stay here. Oh, do you have your insurance card on you?
Yeah.
Okay, can I see your insurance card?
I don't have my insurance card.
What'd you say?
I don't have my insurance card.
You don't have your is there an insurance card in here for the vehicle?
I'm still waiting on the mail. It hasn't come yet.
Okay, so you don't have any insurance card on the vehicle?
No, but I pay for it.
Okay, whose vehicle is this?
It's my mom's vehicle.
It's your mother's?
Yeah.
Okay, would your mom have an insurance card for the vehicle?
Yeah, we got for both of them. I mean, that one come, I think, earlier this week.
Okay.
The new one, because she had to renew it.
Do you want to call your mom and see if she can get you the insurance card? Okay, stay right here. I'll be right back, okay? Did you hear me? I'm going to shut your door for right now, okay?
No, it's fine. You can leave it open. It's fine.
No, I'd like you to shut the door.
I need some safety.
Okay, you can roll down your window.
My window don't go down.
I'm sorry?
It don't go down. It can't. It can't go down.
Okay, we'll just leave it cracked then, okay? Just stay in the car for me, okay? Who'd you say?
The cannabis road's right here, so if you want to just pull him out, you can.
All right. Hey, sir, do you have anything with your name on it? Any photo ID or anything?
He's coming. Somebody coming.
What do you mean it's coming?
My big brother coming.
Okay, your big brother's not involved in this. I just need something with your name on it. Something with your picture, preferably. Patient, right? I'm sorry? You're supposed to patient. I can't hear you.
I'm about to go to Florida and grab my stuff. I just moved here.
You just moved here? Okay, but you said you had a driver's license out of Florida and Maryland, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where are those at?
They're in Florida.
They're in Florida? Okay. How do you spell your name?
Let me write it down.
No, I'm asking you how you spelled your name. Here's what we're going to do. That's not the same birth date you gave me earlier. So I have reason to believe you're not telling me the truth.
I'm telling you the truth, because you're not telling me the truth with my license plate at first.
I'm sorry?
The main reason is you lying to me, but my light not showing. That's the
no, I'm not actually.
That's the main point.
No, I'm not. In fact, I just had another officer verify. In fact, Officer Spence, will you verify it also?
Can I see it?
Is the license plate light out?
I mean, you guys can see it if you're driving behind me, right?
You still have to have a light by law.
License plate?
A license plate light.
Can I read it? Where can I see it? Can I read the law on Google?
What'd you say?
What do they...
Okay, here's my next question. When was the last time you smoked in the car?
The last time?
Smoke in the car?
Yeah.
Why not?
I mean, why?
What'd you say?
Why?
Smoke in the car?
Because I can smell marijuana in the car.
I mean, dude, we just Google it, right?
You still can't be smelling it in the car, is it?
But, I mean...
So if it's legal, so do you have something on you then?
I mean, did you saw smoking?
What'd you say?
Did you see me smoking?
I can smell it.
But do you see any...
You can smell it.
Hey, Clyde, come here. I can smell it. You said you saw something in there.
I'll sit right here on the door handle.
That's why I pulled my light on, so you can
Okay. So I take it you're smoking in here then?
Well, look, it's not even out. Look.
It's not even out?
I mean, it's not even light. It's a roach. So that's
okay. Yeah, so it's a roach then?
Let me call my lawyer.
No, we're not calling lawyers right now. What I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you step out real quick.
Search the car?
One more time?
Search the car?
Yeah, we're going to search the car real quick. I'm sorry? It's possible because you just showed me marijuana right here.
Yeah, but we is legal, right?
You still can't have it like this in the car.
You can't get locked up for this. You can't search my car. It's not legal.
Yes, I can. That gives me probable cause to search. So I'm going to have you guys step out real quick. We're going to do a quick search of the car.
Where's the backup? Only one car. I don't see any car yet.
My backup's right here behind me.
Where?
They're right here. There are two officers right here. There's two cars. You're arguing over basic facts, so I'm going to have you step out of the car right now. Look at me. Hey, Mr. You're going to get arrested if you don't step out of the car. You don't have a choice right now.
Nobody's smoking in the car. I wasn't smoking.
There's clearly a roach right here. That gives me probable cause to search the car. You still can't smoke in the car.
I wasn't smoking.
You clearly, somebody was smoking in the car. Step out of the car right now or you're going to go in handcuffs. Step out of the car or you're going to go in handcuffs. You want to go in handcuffs?
That's a good reason for me to pull over in my car.
Do you want to be placed under arrest? You're obstructing right now.
What? I wasn't smoking. What pulled me over for? For what?
Step out of the car, you're going in handcuffs.
I wasn't smoking.
Somebody was smoking. I have to search the vehicle. Do you want to be placed in handcuffs?
Yeah, I don't mind because for my law. I know my law. I read that every day.
So you're not going to step out of the car?
No.
Are you going to get? Do you want to be charged with obstruction then?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay. Place your hands behind your back.
Let me step with
nope.
the car. I wasn't smoking, bro.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. You're going to go in handcuffs.
Yeah, I'm going in the car.
Yes, you're going into handcuffs. One, we don't have your correct name right now. Two, you're being aggressive. Three, you have marijuana in the car that's illegally packaged, okay?
Do you want to pat him down real quick?
Excuse me, sir. You know what you're doing, right?
I'm sorry?
You know you cannot do that, right?
What's that?
You have a search warrant like to search?
No, I have probable cause to search the vehicle.
What cause
hey,
is that?
No, stop that. You know you're doing nothing. You know, speed, you know, smoke in
That's
the
why
car.
I asked him to
You
step
do that
out
because we black.
Any reason
you can
to
do
search the
whatever you know.
Ma'am, there's a roach in the door. You're not going to listen?
No. Don't say that. Don't say that. You don't know nothing.
I just want to know what's going to exactly.
Sir, okay, so here's what happened. We pulled the vehicle over. It's a simple plate light.
He was back right there, or he was driving?
He was driving. He was on the road when I pulled him over, okay? So, simple thing. The plate light was out. It's a simple thing. Just to let you know, The license plate. You have to have a light over your license plate, okay? I'll just bring it to his attention, okay? He's been aggressive the entire time. Also, there's marijuana that's in the door, okay?
Marijuana is illegal in the state?
You still cannot be smoking inside the vehicle.
Why it's not illegal, right?
on the porch. If you're not involved, you're going to go and ask some question. Go. Get up on the porch. Not going to be in the middle of our stop. Step back. Do what you're told.
Freaking plate light out. That's all it was going to be.
There you go.
What's that?
They probably stole something at some point.
What's that?
Security tag.
Nice.
Under the seat cover. Yeah, beer bottle in the back.
Beer bottle in the back. Ask him which one of them's Mr. Ask him which one's Mr. He's giving me the name Mr. and that's clearly an ID.
That's him right there that you have in custody.
Yeah. So he's giving me a fake name, so that's going to be one thing on him.
He's giving you a fake name. He's suspended too.
Cool.
That vehicle, I mean, the vehicle's hit on flock.
It's hit on flock?
It's hit on flock before, and I think the registration was suspended.
I do remember that, because I tried running and he gave me the slip.
And wanted.
What's he wanted for?
I'm pretty sure he has an outstanding warrant.
Will you double check on that real quick?
Run the name.
Oh, I thought he was already attached. All right. So, put that on real quick. Okay. So you want me to explain everything that was going on?
Please.
Okay. So, you have warrants, so we're going to take you in for that, okay? Also, you're going to be placed under arrest and charged with obstructing identification, okay? Because you clearly gave me a fake name. You couldn't even remember the date of birth that you gave me, okay?
That's my brother name.
What'd you say?
That's my brother name.
Okay. I'm not going to charge you with the weed that we found in the car, because you have to have it.
You can't charge me because it's legal.
Oh, I
over
can.
there.
I can, because it's not in the proper
My
container.
God, I can take it to court.
Okay, you want me to?
Because this is what I'm
Okay,
on.
fine. I'll be more than happy to charge you for that.
Listen, we know the law,
Okay.
not only you guys.
I'll be more than happy to charge you for it. Then that's no big deal. Okay. Also, you have no driver's license and you're driving right now. Okay, so I'm not citing
I
you
have
for
a
that.
permit.
Okay. Huh?
I have a permit.
It's not a valid permit. That's what my dispatch is telling me.
It
Okay.
is.
So we're going to take you to CPD. Okay. Is there anything you would like to bring with you? Would you like to bring your phone?
My phone.
Your phone. Okay. Is there anything
I
else?
got my vape.
I'm sorry.
My vape.
Your vape. I can't let you bring the vape into the police department. Okay. But we can bring your wallet. Okay. Is there anything else you'd like?
Let me get my Can you call her from here?
Go ahead.
Can I kiss my girl?
As soon as she's done talking to them. So I have to I'll double check on all that, okay? If I can't cut you loose tonight, I'll be more than happy to, okay? But I can't make any promises, okay? So you want your phone, your wallet. Whose car is that? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Who would you like me to leave the keys to?
My mom.
Your mom? That's the lady up there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go do that right now, okay? So here's what's going to happen, man. We're going to go inside. As soon as I can, I'll take those handcuffs off of you. And we're just going to be two adults sitting down doing paperwork, okay? Sound good? Regardless of how things went down out there.
But you know, you guys, listen. You guys know, when you pull people, you need a reason to pull somebody over, not just because.
No, I gave you a lawful reason. And I'll explain everything more in detail when we get inside, okay? Regardless of everything that happened, okay? It's a blank slate with me right now. If you're cool with me, I'm going to be cool with you, okay? Okay. Here's the marijuana that we got from the car.
Yeah, so that shouldn't be in the paper. That's nothing.
It's still marijuana that you can't transport that way, my man.
Despite the confrontation, the lead officer stayed respectful to the end. Officer. Once we get inside, it's a clean slate. We'll sit down like adults, go over the paperwork. The driver asked for his phone, wanted to kiss his girlfriend goodbye, and pleaded that he wasn't trying to be difficult. But by then, it was too late. This all started with a broken license plate light and ended with multiple criminal charges. What do you think? Did the driver escalate things unnecessarily, or was this over-policing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more breakdowns of real-life police encounters.